and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have something that I should have done a long time ago, and that is clean and disinfect my baby / toddler's toys. She has accumulated a lot of toys within the first year of her life, especially because the holidays just passed. So it is time that we clean and disinfect them. This season she hasn't gotten sick, so I want to keep that streak going. I will be showing you guys the cleaning products that I'm going to be utilizing in today's video, as well as my little quirky drying station that I have going on. I will also be cleaning the sink before we get started with the video, because my sink is a bit dirty, has gotten dirty throughout the week since I cleaned it, and if the sink is dirty and I'm going to be cleaning the toys in there, then what is the point of disinfecting if it's going to get dirtier in there? So we're going to be doing that as well. But before we get started, I do hope that you consider subscribing. My channel is mainly mommy, military, and Lysol content. So if you enjoy that, then please consider hitting the subscribe button with the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started. Here are the cleaning products and solutions I'm going to be utilizing in today's video. The Ajax, I'm going to be using it to clean the sink with. And then I have the Lysol Clean and Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner. Kills 99% of viruses and bacteria. And I love that it says kills germs even when diluted, because I am going to be diluting the product because I don't want it to be too strong. And of course, I am going to be rinsing the toys right after. They have been in the solution for quite some time because I don't want any of the residue to still be on the toys, since kids put toys right into their mouth. So we don't want any of that. And over here we have 2 water bottles and the Heinz All Natural Distilled White Vinegar. I'm going to be putting half a cup into, I believe, like 2/3 or 2/4 or something like that of water into these water bottles, and then I'm going to use them to clean the battery operated and stuffed animals, because I don't have a washer here and we already did laundry, so we didn't have the opportunity to take her stuffed animals with. And of course, battery operated toys, we can't really dunk them into a solution of water or else they won't work, and God forbid they don't work, because then they start crying and we don't want that. And lastly, we have here these 3 sponges from the brand Freedom. Apparently, these are amazing, as from what I saw from the reviews on the Walmart app, to the point where like people do not find these sponges at their local Walmart. So we'll see how they fare off today. And then this is my little cleaning station I have going on. Nothing fancy, just your regular dish towels on the counter. Nothing too crazy.
N-I-C-O, yeah. Eres bonita, el olor de tu cabello son cosas que me excitan, y tus panties en el suelo, también los besos parecen de un universo muy lejos pero del nuestro, con ese sabor a miel. Vamos a hacerlo una noche, la luna mirará y las estrellas verán que brillará. Primera vez que yo vi esa foto en Instagram, pues te seguí, el resto ni que contar. La indicada, no hay nadie más que me enamore de verdad. La indicada, no hay nadie más que sea buena como tú. Aparte de eso, le gustan chicos traviesos, y de eso tengo hasta el pelo. Yo creo que lo demostré. Tú lo que quieras, yo lo hago a tu manera. Si mueves esas caderas y bien pegadito a mí. Y sé que hay muchos pretendientes que tienes, pero no los ves, porque solo ves uno y ese hombre lo hace tan bien. Las horas son segundos y solo al lado de ti, besándote, mami. La indicada, no hay nadie más que me enamore de verdad. La indicada, no hay nadie más que sea buena como tú. Vamos a hacerlo con calma, con calma, con calma. Esto es bueno para el alma. el alma, yeah. Lento y seguro, así es como se aplica. Pa' que nos dure, mamacita, esta dicha. Vamos a hacerlo con calma, yeah. La indica, no hay nadie más que me enamore de verdad. La indica, no hay nadie más que sea buena como tú. Ay, ay, oh. Oye, bebé, tú eres la única. Soy tu Kanye, tú eres mi Kim, ¿ok? Vamos a darle, vamos a fondo, baby. Always on tonight. Throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here. Play my favorite song right on top. Yeah. And we never stop. Music bumping, we just keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we never stop. Shake, shake, shake your honey till the morning. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Yeah, that's what I wanna see you slide, slide, slide. That's what I wanna see you shine, shine, shine. Always on tonight. Throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here. Play my favorite song right on time. Ooh, and we never stop. Music pumping, we just keep on rolling.
I did the best that I could, you guys. The front doesn't look so bad, but the back, it is horrendous. The lines are still visible and it smells, so I don't know what else to do. I know. So we might end up getting a new placemat for her because this is disgusting and it smells.
Come on now. That's what I wanna see. Shine, shine, shine. I wanna see ya. I wanna see you. So let me hear you sigh. I said I wanna see you slide, slide, slide. I said I wanna see you shine, shine, shine. Let me hear you say I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this up, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. run away with me. I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this kind of ride.
This is how I have Riley's little play area set up. We did come to a consensus that we're going to get rid of this play mat just because the foul smell is horrendous. But for the meantime, we're going to use it until we get a new one because we don't want her playing on these hardwood floors right here. Miguel said that he saw these play mats going at Walmart, I think, for like $15 for 20 pieces, which is a better deal than what I got this Target play mat. It was $20 for the 6 pieces that you see. So if you're on the hunt for a play mat, definitely go to Walmart. But I do want to know if you guys have an alternative on how to clean these play mats. Obviously, you can't really dunk them in a Lysol solution with water because that's how they got ruined. Water somehow, or maybe it was her formula that got underneath and I didn't even notice. So I don't know of any other way of cleaning these play mats other than spraying it with the water and vinegar solution and then just scrubbing it and letting it air dry. But if you have another solution on how to clean this, please let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, her toys are all like sort of set up into categories. Like her dolls are right here, her blocks and play set is set here. Then we have her Fisher Price Farmer set. And then I think it's what it's called, a jungle gym. I am not too sure. And obviously, of course, she is obsessed with her car. It does bring a little compartment right here where she can store her stuff. And in this case, she has my tripod in there. But yeah, and it also brings like a little horn, these little toys on the side, and like a little fake gasket over here. And then obviously we have the ball that we got when we went to a game back in August, signed by Maxi. He is a professional soccer player for New York City FC. So that's pretty cool that she actually got this ball when we went with Miguel when he was back from AIT. But that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys are notified when I post a new video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. You want to say cheese?